Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you XIFEI Humidor. This is a cigar display box. It's a glass window, handcrafted. Top cover has a digital hygrometer and it's dedicated humidifier that holds about 12 to 25 cigars. So let's open it up. XIFEI makes great cigar accessories. Glass side for display case and top the digital hygrometer. Open this up like this. Wow, look at that. So you can pull this and expose the battery. So they include this moisture stick. Put about a couple drops distilled water into these areas. And you're basically putting this here or underneath. This pops out just like that. You can put it underneath, okay? And you can put this back wherever you want. It'll stay just like that. In the middle, it locks, so it fits perfect. Okay, the distance is perfect. Okay, so you're putting multiple cigars here like this, so you can see how many cigars you have, and it's nice to look at and it keeps the moisture. So let's open that up. You just have to pull this tab, put the watch battery back. Easy operation, just like that. And you can press that. 71 Fahrenheit and 46 of humidity, and here Celsius, so it does both. Where I live, we use Fahrenheit. So right now 72 degrees, perfect weather, and 50% humidity at this moment. My goal is to raise that to 69% to 70%. And you can lay it flat, like horizontally. You can put 20 to 25 cigars, length of 7.2 inches or less. So two method of putting vertical or horizontal. And this has a Spanish cedar solid wood, high precision hygrometer, and this has an ergonomic handle here, so you can pull it. It will look something like this, all in the front. It makes it into a very, very great gift. Anti-skid treatment on the bottom. Look at this right here. It has a soft felt, so when you show off to your friends, you're like, hey, which one do you want to smoke? You know, you can kind of show it off, and you know how much there is left. So thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.